Big man thing. And if my life could have rewind.
Morning. It's 4, you know.
4 hours later.
Listen to me. It's 1 o'clock. And okay, still I go on bad. I'm on lunch. And it's crazy out here, man. I'm trying to go to Jolliebee. I'm hungry. Even some of the friggin' trains are delayed and stuff. Put my water boots back on because I know I'm gonna come out here in my work shoes. I knew listen. We're in a fall. I understand what I'm going to say, you know. I want to go get a salad from Target. But I'm gonna go to eat Jolliebee today. I'm trying to go to something else, but I'm picking up the picture. I was like, Georgia's got these spicy chicken sandwich. I never had it before. Thank you. I'm trying to make content in the rain for me. I just see this place. It looks like a new restaurant next to Raising King called Bubba Gump. It's like a shrimp place. I'm gonna try that one day. I'm gonna go to Target. I got like 30 minutes. So. I just went on TikTok and all I see is a lot of videos of New York like flooded. It's crazy. I know my research right here, Bubba Gump. This is just open. It looks small though. It's crowded inside. You know what? Let me walk up this way because I'm gonna bite today. Let me walk up this way because I need to cross the street. I need to go on Broadway now. Ooh, another guy. Ooh, old camera guy. Out here with a big ass camera. Trying to get all the content. So we going to Target. Need some chicken. There's a salad section. Thank you. They're not playing in here. I don't blame them. Pouring outside. I'm here. Cilantro avocado. I'm gonna get this one. $3.99. I'm gonna get 2 of these. Oh, I'm not buying no bags. Oh no. Hold on, try to put bags. This should take forever to go in. Y'all wanna charge me for a bag? I'm not about to do this with y'all. Okay. Points. I only got 10 minutes left to eat my food. It's looking good. Ooh. Let's bite it. Ooh. This really spicy down. Oh yes. Oh, the jalapeno. Yo, this sandwich though, It's so juicy, and the meat is so thick. It's giving trying to be like Popeyes. I can't believe I'm eating this jalapeno though. I don't even eat that. But the way I'm hungry right now, that's why I went to Target to get a salad too. Cause if you don't eat bad, eat a salad behind it. Make you feel much better. The weather today is crazy. I went on TikTok and all I see was New York. I'm like, damn. We trending today, huh? We is trending today. I mean, it's finally slow down because I'm just not leaving work. It's 5:30. I'm just not leaving work. The freaking door. Somebody trying to break into the freaking school door, the entrance door at my job. So I have to call the lady and let her know what's going on. I'm about to go home because I need to pick up my phone. The air conditioner working. We got my I'm taking an Uber. I said, hell no. Taking an Uber where? I'm taking an Uber from the city to Brooklyn. Yeah, okay. That's not happening. Not because I got paid today. Like, I don't mean I'm about to waste my money on Uber. Uber bar rents is Sunday. Okay. Train coming right now. Pull it up. That way, because I don't trust these people. First, I'm not gonna lie. I'm like, but I'm early though. Oh, I didn't show you my phone, did I? Here it is. So, what's the time and the dates? Go downstairs and get this bus. I don't think I've ever been over this side before. I don't recall. There's something out, and I got my jacket on, like the puffer. Listen, my other light jacket is washed out, so I didn't want to wear that. But I need to buy a light jacket. I hope I see a Primark on here because I'm early. It's like 4 o'clock. That's a bird. I'm trying to shit on people's head. Hello?
You're not taking cash right now.
Pizza is this one.
Yeah,
I'll take the pizza for Kew Gardens. Liberty and this is where little Diana is. Oh, look at that. That's quick. I thought I was gonna come over here one day. And look, little Diana. This is my first time over here. I think the restaurant is somewhere around here. Let me see what time it is because I ain't trying to be late for work. I'm early. I gotta go over there for the bus, which is right there. that does go to the airport. I'm going to the Houston. You can really tell there's a lot of Guyanese people over here. This is what they got avocados for. I need some avocados. Market. For $1. That's my price. Let's give them this. I got $2 change. Ain't hard. I think I'm gonna get 2. Should I get 4? I do want an avocado. I'm gonna get 2. That's good then. But look at this. You see these bottles in the wall. Like $1.29. Oh, we got dollar doubles. Oh my god, I gotta come back over here. If I had money on me, I would have bought. They have 2 for 3 pineapples right here. If I had money, I would have extra money on me, cash. I would have bought it. $1, dollar. No good. I'm good. I don't like those mangoes.
What's poppin'? Brand new whip, just hopped in. I got options. I can pass that like stocking. Just joshing. I'ma spend this holiday locking. My body got rid of them toxins. Sports in the top 10. I can put the ball in the end zone, put a bad bitch in the friend zone. This shit sound like an intro jet song. Give me that tempo. Ooh. Told cool, he a fool with the shit. Told her don't let her friends know. In the building, I move like a dime. Eating fettuccine at Vincenzo's. I like to call it a passion. I can be sitting relaxed. PG, we getting some traction. I'm at the videos packing. I'm digging her accent. I got a baby Simon belt on me, and she tryna get it unfastened. That's my type of distraction. That's my type of she Latin. Got my own flow and I'm about to get a patent. Brand new sheets for the bed they sent.
So you really gotta pay attention in Queensboro, cause you will get lost. So I'm supposed to get off at Kew Gardens on 83rd Road, which is the last stop, but you get off further down more. But this is where I'm supposed to turn right here, right? This is Kew Gardens and 83rd Avenue. And down there I pass 83rd Road. So 2 minutes away from where I'm going. I'm not showing people my address. But I grew up in Queens, but not on this side. So I don't know this area. First time ever come over here. I'll see y'all when I get there.
I'm out the roof around the edges, baby, yes. I keep it happy and I do what make me happy, and nobody can deny me that I'm blessed.
This is Grand Avenue. Next and last stop on this shuttle will be Euclid. Once again, the next and last stop on this train is Euclid Avenue.
So these are the organic ones for $2.19. These are 29 cents one. This is I don't go one. I'm about to check out. Cash out. Just something simple. I don't want nothing. Oh, this bread. Oh. Wait, did I see this one over there? I don't remember. Chicken Caesar salad. I got this one with bacon. Hot salad. Comes with bacon in there. And eggs. And I got this one. Cilantro avocado salad. Somebody didn't open the box. These are good. I had these. These are so good. I need to try this. Probably the chocolate chip. The chocolate chip cookie though. They look too sweet. 53 grams of sugar. See what I'm talking about? 51. It's too much. Okay. October. This is October 6th. And I'm not even going to try to buy as much stuff in here because I'm going to Walmart tomorrow. You see how my phone giving better quality right now? I'm loving it. This is 11 Pro. I'm so glad that I changed my phone. So this is Target. Alright, we leaving. We are leaving now. I got 15 minutes. So I don't even get my lunch yet. It's really gonna rain. Last time I went to Target, I didn't buy a bag, but I bought a bag this time. It was like 5 cents. I'm like, you know what, let me get it. I think the last time I had a bag. But look at this view. I'm loving this camera quality. I love it. Happy to myself. I give y'all better quality videos. Okay. Okay, I got like 9 minutes. I need to be. Okay, as soon as I go inside, I'm still gonna eat. It don't matter. For a long time I haven't ate a Caesar salad. So it's not bad, it's good. I give it a 9 out of 10. I just wanted more meat. I think where to start. So me and my papa in Giant supermarket. There you go. And I never, this right here looks so good. This yeah. And they got the jelly one. That got too much sugar. That's 280 calories. That one is 260. Then they got the twist one. Then they got this one. Hey, come on, man. Oh, that's cinnamon sugar. Okay, I don't want that one. That's too sweet. And they got the one with the gummy bears and the Oreo and the M&M's. They got some up here, the regular ones, and they got the pumpkin, which I don't want. But I feel like I'm gonna get one of these and the coconut one. It's the last coconut one, so I'm gonna get it. Come on, what you doing? He's dancing. He loves to hug me one. Hi.
Hi.
Okay. Like a video. He loves to wear that all in his face. I don't know why. But yeah. What time is it, Papa?
144.
Yeah. Oh. The chips. I think it's the same price in the other stores. This is $9.99. Frito-Lay. Chips you always get. I'm trying to say, should I get this from here or should I wait too? Because I am going to go to Walmart. Now they got the marsh vanilla with flavored marshmallows. Cinnamon. Generic. Regular. I got 2 for $5, but I don't want it so much. Like, mine don't eat those. He want the other ones, the Lucky Charms and stuff. The ones I don't eat. So I'm about to get this generic brand. $2.89. Okay. Cause I don't want to get a big box of cereal. I still have the freaking Kit Kat one I didn't even eat yet. So, and I bought some chicken. Because why not? This is the one I got. And I don't know why I haven't tasted cereal yet. I think I'm scared it's gonna be too sweet. There's only 10 grams of sugar in there. But I'm gonna try it one of these days. Alright, let me go to Walmart. Walmart. I don't know why I came in here, y'all, because Walmart got the chips for less than here. I went in Burlington yesterday after work. I went downtown. I went to Primark. Yeah, I don't think I vlogged much. And they had, oh wow, they have this here? Look at this. So I never saw this in Walmart. They got the black tea and they got the matcha. Wow. $8.49 though. How many is in there? And how you do this? What's, oh, is this the boba thing? I don't even know. Oh, the powder and the boba pearls. Oh, they got this up here too. They got different ones. I never saw these in Walmart. Yeah, I was saying they had the orange pepper, so I'll be seeing it on Instagram and people making this. Oh, see? Look at that. This was in Burlington and it felt a little bigger than this too. And it was $2.99. And now it's $3.79 here. And they had a lime pepper too. But this one is lemon pepper. I have lemon pepper already. They had actually lime pepper seasoning. Never knew they had that, but see? If I'm ready, I'm gonna go back in Burlington and get it, because listen. This actually works $20 because y'all know if I go to the seafood place, I get one of these for $15. So that's actually worth it. Yeah. Oh, we got crab legs over there. Crab leg. Oh, child. Well, it's not bad. $24? This is a lot for $24. Oh. I know what I'm gonna do one day. When I decide to do another video, like a seafood video, I'm gonna get it from here. Or I can go to Food Bazaar. It's 23. This is a lot. Y'all see that? I think it's worth it. We got 21 right here. Yeah, it's gonna want you to have some crab legs. But another time. Mine is enough. Mine, give us it. Mine, give us it. Give us it.
From the thing them call a broken heart, this blessed love will never part. You don't know it from the start, but tell them say I'm dirty, yeah. A Sean Paul and Sasha.
Make me holler, make me sweat. I can't get your tenderness. Still I can't get you off my mind. What is it about you, baby?
This right here for garlic butter sirloin steaks, $8.99. Like, can you beat this price? You cannot beat this price, bro. Cannot. So I saw these and I'm looking like I've never had these before, but I low-key want some real burgers. I'm not even gonna lie. And these are just $6.99. That's not bad. They big too. They got nuggets. They got chicken patties, spicy nuggets, meatballs. It's a cook-alike ground beef. So it's like ground beef, but it don't really taste like it. Alright, let's see. We're gonna try that one. I'm gonna try it and then give a review. Because I never had it before. But I ain't got no burger buns. Oh yeah, I want to buy some croissant thing because I see something on Instagram that I want to make. It's not this one, it's a croissant one. What is this bread? $3. feel like I want some potato. Is it potato bread? I don't like how that look. Wait, it feels soft though. Yeah, look at this. Please. Pizza. It's a good sized pizza. They got the supreme, they got the pepperoni, they got the chicken bacon ranch. Oh, somebody done open it. Oh, child. Okay, since somebody open it, I'm show you the size. Look. Alright, I'm putting it back in the box. I ain't do it. Somebody wanted to see what the size was. Ooh, this one look good. I'm not even gonna lie. I don't even like ranch, but chicken bacon ranch. Chicken and bacon go together. So that's why I was looking at it like. I don't know about 4 cheese either. I feel like I should get one of these pizza. So I'm gonna get one of these pizzas. It's gonna be the supreme one because the supreme is given everything. Except for them black thing. What is it called again? Is that olive? Let me see if they got the Martin bread around here. That's the one I want. I'm popcorn. Here's the bread aisle. Look at this. Look at the hamburger. This is the cheapest one here. $1.39. Can't beat that. Well, this one looks dry compared to this one. I need something soft. Yeah. Alright, let's see if they have. Oh, there's a Martin Rose right here. How much is a Martin Rose? How much is a Martin Rose? Okay, this is not where it's supposed to be at. Where the rest at? Somebody left it here, so I don't. Oh, here it is. Okay, this is for. Amani, I'm watching you. Oh, this is $4.59. Okay, let's go back. They got these right here for $1. I always drink this pineapple one. I think I should get one. But I have water in my bag. And then they have this for 2 for $5. But Kimani have peanut butter already, so you don't need it. I think I'm gonna get one of these. Oh, that's like a blueberry one. I never had this one before. I think I'm gonna try this one instead. I've had the lemonade one before. I've had the pineapple before, so which one is this one? Pink lemonade, strawberry lemonade, cherry berry. They have the pumpkin spice. I don't know, not my thing. But you know what? I said I was gonna try a pumpkin spice from Dunkin' Donuts and see how it is. I'm not a person that likes pumpkin spice drinks, but I just want to try it. I'm gonna go to self-service because, yeah.
Hop in her, throw up the sex in her. And I can put you in. I can put you in. Hop in her, throw up the.
Look at that stuffed cheese crust, and look at the price. And this one, and that one. I don't want that one. But look at this one. I feel like I want to get this one. I'm about to leave Kimani with that one that I bought from Giant. But this one is given spinach Alfredo. I don't know what to do. I got the pepperoni one up there. I knew. I don't know why I bought it from Giant. I knew Walmart brand was cheaper. I don't know why I bought that one. I should have just left it. But I low-key want this one though. Top with garlic Alfredo sauce mozzarella. Yeah, I think I might keep this one for myself. I'm the one that said I don't want my back to be big. And look at me buying pizza. This looks so good. I'm not even gonna lie. Even though I don't like ranch, this looks so good. Hold on. I low-key want to get both of them. I'm not even gonna lie. Yeah, we're gonna try both. How about that? I got the mini. A mini waffle. This is for a toaster. It's $8.98, $9 you could say. Not one, get more than one. Pick up a few. I couldn't wait. I'm so hungry. I don't know why I'm so hungry. It's good. It's definitely on the street. You like it? Yeah. Do you want more? Let me give you a half. Because I don't want to eat all of it. Bacon, bacon. I've never seen before. Imitation is given vegan. Oh, should I get that? Should I get the imitation one? I feel like I'm gonna get the imitation one. I was looking at this one, right? But then I looked down here. So then I which bone is the goat? I see this. Let me give it a try. I'm gonna give it a try because it's $2.58 and this one was $1.97. That's not bad either. But I need a good bottle so yeah, he picked up a lot of broccoli. All of a sudden he loves him to broccoli. I love that for him though. I said, come on, pick up broccoli. He picked up 4 bags. And I put something with Chipotle. They got Chipotle ranch. They got bacon ranch. So they're out here just making anything in ranch, huh? They got the buttermilk one. And then I see this sweet and spicy French. This is what I usually drink. I grew up on the French dressing, the regular one. I didn't know they had sweet and spicy and or sweet. I'm gonna try this one day. Oh wow, look at this. You got the Oreo iced coffee. This is the first I ever saw this. $2.52. Oh, I see this in front of me. Look at this. Twinkies iced latte. I don't know, this shit is sweet. You don't gotta tell me. I know it is. Sugar, 46 grams. Snickers, Twix. Regular Dunkin'. Mocha. This looks good though. I'm not even gonna lie. But I know it's the sugar for me. I can't take. Okay, so this is basically the same size I got from what's it called? Target. But these are $1 more. I don't want no raisins in my salad though. Alright, we're gonna get this one. This fresh one. They're looking fresh. Oh, not really. Good try. Be too soon. I'll check the bottom. Alright, this one don't look that bad. Chow. Alright, between this one and this one, which one look better? Yeah, we're gonna go with this one. I need to eat this one. I'm on the van going back to NYC. Look, they got the spooky one. They got the pumpkin one. Like, mine just stick to the lemon.